How to turn off safe chat on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find different options. Click on Settings, which is the first option. In Settings, on the left side, click on Privacy. And then in account restriction, turn it off. To turn off account restriction, you will find PIN required. You will need to enter your PIN, that is your parental control PIN. After that, it will turn off. Then in the bottom, make sure who can text chat with me in app is friends and who can text chat with me is no one or friends. Then click on parental control on the left side. And you can select allowed experiences as you want, and then make sure you turn off parent PIN is enabled. You will need to enter your PIN. After that, you're good to go. This is how to turn off safe chat on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.